Hello everyone. The topic of cryptocurrency remains the most relevant of 2017. The internet is filled with information on the different ways of making substantial profits. Each of us, too, would want to pave a wave of new opportunity that is being talked about all over. But finding a real opportunity, and the least risky one, is not easy. So now I'm going to give you a brief analysis of the most rewarding techniques, and share the most profitable and less risky way of passive income. You will be able to take advantage of it today without studying tons of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. In this video, I will compare popular methods of earnings on cryptocurrency, and most efficient ways. Next, I will train and direct you on what you need to do to start earning this week. The gold mountains are not promising, but the tangible income will excite you. I follow the same method to gain my profits. Why am I sharing this with you? Because I spend so much of my time and money searching for an opportunity until I finally found one, and now I just want to save your time and money. Plus, I'm going to get a bonus once you join my team. In return, of course, I'm going to train you guys, so you can also earn extra bonuses as well. So let's start. There are several of the most popular types of earnings on the crypto market. ICO investments. This is rather difficult way for the beginners. This involves you to research ICO startups and invest in them at an early stage with the potential for huge returns. The problem is that about 93% of these startups never go through an ICO, roughly speaking they run off with your investments. It is vital to know how to pick the right ones out that would be around to hold an ICO and bring amazing returns. The profits can be huge, but the risk is even bigger. This is for professionals with experience. Those who already have a very good understanding of the topic of cryptocurrency are beginning to share their knowledge and ideas, and are doing well at it. In order for it to be demand in this field, it is necessary to learn and communicate in the relevant circles for a long time. Besides, you have to be able to sell yourself. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Stock trade, buying and selling cryptocurrency. It takes a long time to learn to not lose money. Or you can buy a cryptocurrency and wait until it grows significantly. Even at the beginning of 2017, the ones that purchased cryptocurrencies made a great profit, but growth slowed down. And at this point no one knows if it's possible to get solid percentage from this point. Mining or cryptocurrency mining. That's what everyone's hearing. But if you look at the direction it is going to, it's clear that your investment in mining will pay for a year or more. Startup capital is required to purchase equipment, space, ventilation, good electricity and taxes. I'll talk more in detail about it later on. And now the method I've studied for a long time. It is close to the first one. The advantage you get is to invest into an existing company that has been working on analytics of trades and the technologies associated with the blockchain system. Such companies that at the beginning of their growing stage, need more investments and are often invite participants of ordinary people like you and I. The money that you invest in our company accumulates and shares profits. It's basically passive income. You earn with the company. It is vital for you to learn from the important features that I will explain below, and losses that I encountered and from my own inexperience. 1. Look for stable companies in this field, or among the founders of a foreign investor. Investments are not accepted in fiat, only in bitcoins. And paid out in Bitcoin. 2. Company that shares profits at least once a week. If a company promises to be share daily profits every day, and in fiat, it is a so-called hype or a pyramid. 3. The earnings are not made out of thin air, and the company needs to stay profitable, and share only a portion of its profits with its clients. So, if you're promised from 40% profits per week or a month, It's a scam or a pyramid from which you probably won't be able to get your money in time. I have been analyzing the market for a long time and such organizations through trial and error. And it's only recently that I finally found a company that really matches my criteria, and it's steadily bringing me profits that I couldn't get nowhere so easily. Nitrade is a company that deals successfully with the speculation market, as well as innovative development and sales of innovations related to blockchain technology, on which cryptocurrency is based. I welcome any questions, so contact me if any arise, and I've made references to them and to the official Nitrade site in the video description. It's really working, and I've found a new network of friends who are also successful with this company and are satisfied with the results. And of course, someone might claim that mining is profitable as well. I cannot agree with the current conditions of the market. I mentioned mining for the following reasons. Return on investment is 1 year or more. This was a good experience and experience of others as well. You can find online a lot of information on this, including the time frame of return on investment, and risks of mining during the year of 2017 to the beginning of 2018. With the Nitrade, by just being a passive investor, a participant can get return on investment within approximately 6 months. Nitrade not only offers passive income, it also rewards you affiliate commissions for actively growing our project. When it comes to mining, you would not only need to wait, you would need to keep an eye on the equipment as well. With Nitrade, all the operations are done via Bitcoin, so the risk is only in the fall of Bitcoin value, which is very doubtful in the waves of the latest news. When it comes to mining, the risks are not only in the fall of value of Bitcoin, but also the miners themselves. The mining equipment is not easy to sell once it was used. Also, the price of energy might go up if it is used on a large scale, which will make mining not profitable. Also, the equipment needs to be kept in a very well-cooled and ventilated environment, maintained, and the location where it is kept. Also, the most important, the difficulty is increased every 2 weeks, and it affects the drop of income that is generated. So, after I analyzed the income and expenses, and when I had to pick a direction that I am excited about, as you can see the direction was obvious, I refused to get involved in mining. Now I will share additional benefits of working with Nitrade. First off, you can also invest any amount of bitcoins and earn your percentage on a daily basis also in bitcoins. On our site, the dollar amount is only being displayed for convenience. The balance will be located on your available balance until withdrawn. So you get 15.5% a month, you recoup your contribution in 6.5 months. A year from now, your contribution will be returned. So, in a year, you actually triple your investments in the basic investment program. Well, I'm actually reinvesting my income to earn even more. Second, the company plans to hold an ICO in 2018, and bring out its own coin. Once the ICO goes as planned, you will be rewarded a new coin. Third, the company also has a network structure on which you can make extra money. You can invite other investors, build a team, and earn extra interest from new investments. You'll be rewarded for your activity. Contact us by clicking on the link below. Notice the watermarks on the video with the address of our groups. It's done to protect against scammers. Compare watermarks with video links. Nitrade also has more lucrative bonuses and privileges for large investors or investment teams in the form of subsidies for real estate, and so on. We'll explain more on it on separate video. All in all, it brings a solid income that doesn't compare to any online business. And it's going to bring you a profit. All you have to do is just try it.